Hey everyone, welcome to a new episode of At Home with Tovia. As I mentioned a few months ago, we'll be changing my channel name to At Home with Tovia, and I'll now be having cooking and crafting tutorials. Please subscribe and share this video, hit the thumbs up, and also please take a moment to leave a comment. That will help me very much. So today I'm going to show you how to properly use the bobbin winder on the PE535, but this will work pretty much the same way for almost any of the embroidery machines. So I'm turning the machine on, and of course you need to make sure you have your hands cleared of this area as it first starts up. Okay, so I'm going to put the bobbin onto the bobbin winder. So the thread needs to go under this guide, then behind this guide here. And then you're going to bring it in front of this little notch here. And then you need to make sure it's under the tension disc. So you're going to bring it in front and then behind it and then under. So I'm going to zoom in. I'll redo it so you guys can see it better. Okay, so through this, behind this guide here, then bring it in front and then around that tension disc. And make sure everything's so I like to pull it a little bit. Now, you're gonna have all this extra thread, and what you're gonna do is take the thread and bring it behind and then wrap it. And I like to pull it to make sure there's no slack in between here. So I wrap it, good 7 or 8 times in the direction that it shows you here. And then I'll pull it through the little thread holder that's here, and it will also cut it will cut the extra thread. And then pull it all the way through the blade. But okay, so you're gonna pull it here and it's gonna hold it. And another thing you do is push this forward. I'm gonna hit cancel on this design. And then you have the button here that you push. So I'll pull it and hold it just for a second, and then I'll just let it go. And if you do it properly, as I just demonstrated, your bobbin is not going to come undone from the bobbin. Your thread is not going to come undone from the bobbin and go under the little bobbin guide here, because you have to make sure you have the perfect amount of tension when you first start, and make sure there isn't too much slack thread between here. So when the bobbin's full, it will automatically stop, and it's almost full. And that's it. So I just hit the button here to stop, slide that forward, pull this off, and I just like to run it down the side of the blade cutter that's on the machine. And there you have it. Please hit the thumbs up, share this video. I have more videos coming soon on how to thread the machine, as well as how to make your own designs as well. And I do have some cooking tutorials coming soon. Thank you for watching.